This is the East Hartford High School Hornet News, produced by the Video Production Club, anchored by Celine Kankum and Anaya Griffin, filmed by Josh Otero, edited by Edelson Montano Solis, and reported on by Caden Solander. Each week, our goal is to highlight some of the many activities, groups, and clubs that East Hartford High School has to offer and showcase what our buzzing Hornet community has been up to. And now, we bring you the news.
Hello, and welcome to the first episode of our news show for the 2025-2026 school year. My name is Celine.
And I'm Anaya.
And we are so excited to be anchoring this news show featuring all things East Hartford High School. This first episode is going to feature stories about Open House, multiple clubs at East Hartford High School, including the Umbrella Club, Student Council, Engineering Club, and our new Drama Club. Stories will also include the East Hartford High School Band performing at Pratt and Whitney's 100-year celebration, the National Spanish Honor Society Cafe con Leche, and updates on all our fall sports.
On Wednesday, September 17th, East Hartford hosted its annual open house. At the open house, families were invited on campus to visit all of their students' classes and meet all their teachers. The open house was a huge success over this year with over 400 East Hartford High School families attending the event, which was the largest turnout in over 20 years. We hope to see families continue to attend East Hartford High School events like that this year and appreciate everyone that came out that night.
The Umbrella Club, formerly known as the Gay Straight Alliance, is an inclusive space for LGBTQIA+ students and allies. The club runs every other Monday from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. in room 137 and aims to create a supportive environment for all students at East Hartford High School, regardless of gender, sexual orientation, or identity. The club's new main advisor this year is Ms. Griffin, who's hoping to revive the club after its hiatus of not having an advisor. The Umbrella Club values student-directed action as well as social justice. Along with holding discussions relevant to LGBTQIA+ experiences, the Umbrella Club will be attending the True Colors Conference at UConn in March, raising awareness in order to increase student knowledge and staff knowledge regarding the LGBTQIA+ community and hosting movies and game nights.
The Student Council has been off to a great start. Advised by Ms. Shemak, formerly Ms. Gankars, the Student Council has held multiple meetings so far this year and addressed students' biggest interests, such as Spirit Week, Homecoming, and the Homecoming Dance. The themes for this year's Spirit Week will be Adam Sandler, Wild West, Character Day, and Color Wars from November 3rd to November 7th. And the Homecoming theme will be Celestial Nights on Saturday, November 8th. More updates will follow on our social media platforms, so please make sure to follow EHHS Hornets Productions, and we hope to see you there.
The Engineering Club explores student interest in engineering-related concepts and projects. The club is run by Mr. Vaughn in room 187 from 2:30 to 3:30 on Thursdays. Right now, the Engineering Club is mainly focused on preparing for the Electrothon car race on October 31st. The Electrothon is a car race that East Hartford High School has been attending for several years. The club had great success last spring at this event, winning their division, and are looking forward to continue their progress. After the Electrothon car race, the club will transition to working on other related projects, and we will be sure to bring you updates as they happen.
The Drama Club is a new club at East Hartford High School that is bringing an old tradition back to the school. The Drama Club happens every Thursday after school from 2:15 until 3:30 on the stage in the auditorium. Last year, there was a small drama club that was directed by Mrs. Hackett, but the club this year is run by Mr. Bellman and Miss Russell Williams. There are 33 students involved in this club this year and is centered on combining aspects of the language, arts, and music department. Students will learn and develop the important skills that actors need to have, such as memorization, communication, body and voice control, script analysis, as well as the cooperation skills it takes to put on a dramatic performance. So far, this year, students have been working on some improv skits where they have been given a specific prompt and were asked to create a scene based on that prompt. The ultimate goal of this club is to begin training students to put on a large-scale productions with the hope of putting on a play during the school semester of this year. We look forward to seeing more from this club throughout the school year, and we will keep you posted as their productions plans develop.
The East Hartford High School Marching Band was honored to perform at Pratt and Whitney's 100th anniversary celebration on Saturday, October 11th. The event drew more than 15,000 attendees to the company's Family Day, held outside the New England Air Museum hangar. The band performed for an hour and a half, entertaining guests with a lineup of patriotic and flight-themed music. In a special highlight, the ensemble worked closely with Pratt and Whitney to coordinate a live performance of the U.S. Air Force theme song, timed with a World War II plane flyover. The event organizers and attendees praised the students for their professionalism, musical excellence, and flexibility throughout the performance.
On Thursday, October 16th, the National Spanish Honor Society hosted its annual Café con Leche event in recognition of Hispanic Heritage Month. Café con Leche is a fun celebration where students do different activities, including dancing, karaoke, and crafting projects, all related to Hispanic culture. All the activities related to Hispanic culture to educate students. Every participant is given a passport that will tell them what activity they will be doing and the order they need to do them in. Once the activity is done, students will receive a sticker on their passport to show that they have completed the task. After all activities have been completed, the students will head to the cafeteria to be treated with food and drinks for all. We hope everyone enjoyed the event, and we look forward to seeing the event to continue at East Hartford High School for years to come.
Fall sports have been actively practicing and competing since the last week of August here at East Hartford High School, and we have multiple highlights to share with you. Our current fall sports teams consist of boys and girls soccer, boys and girls cross country, football, girls swimming, girls volleyball, unified sports, and esports.
The varsity boys soccer team has a record of 6-7-2 with wins coming against Enfield, Southington, Bristol Eastern, South Windsor, E.O. Smith, and Manchester. The team just qualified for the state tournament with their last convincing team over Manchester at home for senior night last week, which is very exciting since they missed the tournament last year. New this year, you can watch all the previous varsity boys soccer home games on demand and live streams of their last games on our Huddle fan page by going to fan.huddle.com and searching for East Hartford High School.
The varsity girls soccer team has a record of 5-9-1 with wins coming against Bloomfield/East Windsor, New Britain, Classical Magnet, and Windsor 2 times. This record is the best record the girls soccer team has had in a long time and shows the progress the program has been making over the past few years. The girls played their last game of the season against Manchester on Tuesday, October 21st, and narrowly lost 1-0 in a close but frustrating game. You can also watch all the previous varsity girls soccer home games on demand on our Huddle fan page by going to fan.huddle.com and searching for East Hartford High School.
Cross country has had a strong season this year. At the 13th annual Harry Gregory meet, athletes were able to claim medals, with our very own Celia Rojas claiming the girls' first place varsity medal. Additionally, varsity girls Isabella Lee, Angelina Leone, and Celine Kankam received medals for their speedy races. On the boys' side, all the athletes were able to improve their times by an average of 4 minutes per athlete. Along with their new personal records, the boys' cross-country team also beat Platt High School at one of their meets earlier in the season. The cross-country team has attended the CCC Championships, Wickham Invitational Meet, and they are looking forward to state champions on October 25th.
The varsity football team has a record of 1-4 as of this filming, with 5 games remaining in the season. Their only win came on the road against Brian McMahon on Friday, September 26th. On Saturday, October 4th, the team faced off against Concord High School at home and played one of the longest games in Connecticut high school history. The team unfortunately lost 80-74, but now holds the state record for the highest scoring combined points in a CIAC game.
The EHHS esports team is back up and running again this fall after graduating most of its state champion members last year. Again, East Hartford High School is sponsoring a gold and black Super Smash Bros. Team, as well as a gold Super Mario Kart team. The Gold Hornets Mario Kart 8 team currently sits in first place in the CIC rankings with a record of 4-0 out of 22 Connecticut high school teams. Our Gold Hornets Super Smash Bros. Team is currently in 19th place with a record of 2-2, and our Black Hornets Super Smash Bros. Team is in 25th place, also with a record of 2-2 out of 45 teams in Connecticut. The current esports season goes until the beginning of November, and then the playoffs for the Plavius Cup begin. Good luck to our esports team, and we will be sure to keep you posted on their season as it progresses.
The varsity girls swimming and varsity girls volleyball teams have struggled this fall competing against schools in our area. The varsity volleyball team has collected 2 wins this season against Bloomfield and University High School of Science and Engineering, while the varsity girls swim team is still in search of their first win. Both teams have been hard at work each day after school, and we wish them the best of luck as they wrap up their fall seasons real soon. That wraps up the first episode of the East Hartford High School Hornet News for the 2025-2026 school year. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and we look forward to bringing you new content regularly throughout the school year. If there's something going on at East Hartford High School that you would like to see showcased in an upcoming episode, please reach out to Mr. Siegel or any member of the Video Production Club, and we will make sure to cover it. Thanks for watching and stay safe.
Bye!